For today, I'm going to create a simple makeup look, and it's going to be an easy look that you can wear for your day-to-day. So that's my cat, Tammy. Say hi! Okay, so first let's start with skincare. So for skincare, I like to first cleanse my face using micellar water. And then I apply toner. So I'm also using Pond's. Just a bit of toner. And just so I'm using this toner. This is a brightening toner from Pond's, and it has hyaluronic acid. So what it does is it hydrates your face. And then I'm going to use their healthy hydration moisturizer also. And then when you're doing makeup, it's important that you know what your skin type is and yung mga common skin issues that you have. So for me, I have texture under my eyes, and I also have dark under eyes, and I also have fine lines. So yun yung mga ikikeep in mind ko while I'm doing my makeup. I'm gonna put some sunscreen from Pond's also. So what I like about this sunscreen is it doesn't really have any white cast to it, and it's easily absorbed by my skin. So since I have oily skin, I'm going to use a mattifying primer. So this one is from MAC. Tried and tested ko na to actually. I also use this for my day-to-day makeup. So yan, mauubos na siya. I need to buy again. It really helps in lessening the oil production on my face. So I also use it for my clients. So I just focus it on the areas na usually nag-oil, like here sa sides of my nose, sa nose ko, and sa forehead. And I try to avoid putting it under my eyes kasi most of the time, most people, they have dry under eyes. And ako din, ganun ako, kahit oily yung face ko, yung under eyes ko dry. So if I put oil-free or oil control products like mattifying primers, powders, it's gonna make my under eyes even more hydrated. So if mag-set na yung powder later, sobrang dry na nung area na yun. And it's gonna make my fine lines even more apparent and visible. Um, Maybe I will underpaint today. I really want to practice underpainting. But the problem is, every time I do underpainting, is nakakalimutan ko na mag-foundation. So hopefully, hindi ko siya makalimutan today. And I'm just gonna use this bronzing cream from NARS. This is in the shade Laguna. And I'm just gonna put few uh, dots all over my face. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend it later again. Then I can use a brush or a sponge to blend this out. So for today, I'm gonna use this brush, an angled brush, to blend out the cream contour. Yan. Then I'm going to put my concealer. Using this is my personal concealer. This one is from Maybelline also, and I'm just putting it a bit lower than usual, not here but here, because I have a lot of fine lines there. A bit here also, and here. And then I'm going to use a brush. I mean a sponge. I can also use this flat brush to blend. I'm gonna move on to foundation. And I'm just gonna put a bit onto the areas na hindi ko nilagyan ng contour. Just a bit. Yan. And then I'm gonna set everything with powder. For powder, I like to use, there are two options. For powder, there are two options on how you can apply it. First, you can apply it using a brush, or you can apply using a puff, a powder puff. I have one here. So for me, I like to use a brush if I want sheerer or a more sheer application of powder. Pero if gusto ko na mas filtered or blurred yung look, I'm gonna use a puff. So for example, I want to blur out my pores here. I'm just gonna use a puff and just press it into my skin. Pero for my under eyes, I don't want the powder to set onto the lines. So kapag ganyan na blurred yung effect ng powder, most likely, syempre makapal yan. Mas makapal yung foundation na yan. So mas high yung tendency niya to set on the fine lines under your eyes. So I just like to put a bit of powder using my brush under my eyes. Or if kung ano man yung mga leftover products here sa puff, yun lang yung gagamitin ko under my eyes. Brush off pa yung mga excess powder. Especially for, I think, mature skin, mas gusto ko na gumamit ng powder, brush powder, like a big fluffy brush for them. And for younger skin, yeah, mas they can get away using this puff. Yan. So I'm going to do my eyes next. I'm going to set my face using this MAC Fix Me setting spray. So doing this after powder makes the powder melt onto the skin. So it's gonna be more skin-like after. So ito yung time nagagamit talaga ako ng puff na wala na masyadong laman para i-press on sa skin ko yung setting spray. Minsan kasi yung buga ng setting spray, pag hindi siya ganun ka-fine, meron yung mga buo-buo na water, mas malalaking particles. Tapos, pag na-dry yung sa skin, nabubutas yung makeup. So, I like to go on with a puff to blend that out. Okay? Okay, so sa eyes muna ako. And I'm using this palette from Shu Uemura kasi I wanted to create a very soft and cool tone look today. So, I'm gonna start with this, I guess, with this darkest shade. And just pack it onto my lid. This is just for everyday. And for everyday naman, hindi naman tayo talaga nag-glam eyeshadow. And then I'm going to use this gray shade na may shimmer. This one is a shimmer actually. I'm just gonna press it on sa gitna ng lids ko. Yan. And then I'm gonna get a brush like this. And then a tapered brush. And then I'm just gonna use it to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And also, maybe some on the under eye. And then I'm gonna wipe this brush again. And then I think I'm gonna use it to add more of this color here. Yan. And then I'm gonna move on to my eyeliner and my mascara. For eyeliner, I'm just using this K Palette 1D Tattoo Liquid Eyeliner. Sorry. And then I'm gonna create like a puppy liner. Sweet lang, ganyan. Yan. So, simple lang na eyeliner. And then I'm gonna move on to, patuyuin ko muna yung eyeliner ko. Magkikilay muna ako. So, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna brush my brows. And also, I'm gonna wipe off if mayroong mga foundation dyan. To brush my brows upwards so that it looks a bit more lifted. So while I'm waiting for those to dry, I can move on to my blush. So I'm using an old palette actually. This is from Get Ready With Me. And it's a cool tone palette that I made. I'm just gonna use this blush and this blush. I'm gonna mix them together. Tap off and then brush a bit onto my hand para sure ako na hindi patchy yung application ko. Again. And then I'm gonna use a fan brush. Dry. Okay, so I'm going to add a bit more bronzer and a bit more blush. Highlight. This is the final look.